Today I'm going to show you how to make this Vietnamese chicken and vermicelli salad. But first, let me dig in. Right, so right now I'm going to blend the marination ingredients for my chicken here. And first up needs to go in is the soy sauce. Then I have the fish sauce here, palm sugar, chili flakes, ginger, garlic, the coriander. Okay, so let's just blend it to fine and we are done. Wow, just smelling it is so fragrant. Okay, so let's submerge the chicken thigh into the marinade. Massage it a bit. Alright, so now let's put it into the prime freeze. So now I'm going to put it into the prime freeze. So I'm going to choose the quick cooling function and set it to 15 minutes. Right, so this is a multi-function Cubie oven, so I'm going to preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius and press start. Right, so now I'm going to put it onto the baking tray. Right, so I'm going to shred my vegetables now, which is the cucumber and the carrot. Right, so it's very easy, so just put this in. Okay, so then I'm going to on it. Same thing, just on it to number 1. The cabbage, I'm going to change my attachment here because I want it to have a different texture. So it's easy as ABC to change the attachment to fit in the slicing plate. Okay, just like that. Ready to put in the purple cabbage. Right, so as you can see, just within seconds, I have sliced cabbage, grated carrot and also cucumber. Sliced cabbage, we have the grated carrot and also the cucumber. So I'm going to toss it into my noodles. Very healthy. There's lots of vegetables here. Yeah, see, just look at all these wonderful colors here. Super healthy, lots of fiber into our daily diet. Right, so let's add in the edamame. Mix it well. Add more colors to the lovely noodles here. And we'll just put this aside. Then we'll make the sauce. So we have the fish sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, sugar, lime juice, bird's eye chili to make it spicy, coriander leaves. Okay, so you can just break it into 2 and just pulse it. Right, so just pulse it like this and our sauce is done. Super refreshing. Right, so now to toss it in here, so I'm just going to use my gloves, put my bowl up here, pour it over. Just look at the lovely garlic, coriander, and toast it. Alright, so let's plate it out to this lovely bowl here. I'm going to add on more vegetables on top, and I'm going to put this aside, and my chicken is already ready. So let's take my chicken out. Wow, just look at it. Right, so just look at this lovely chicken here, all done in within 15 to 17 minutes. Juicy and nice. Right, so let's place this lovely chicken onto the noodles here. And we are done. This is it, the Vietnamese chicken and vermicelli salad. Give it a try.
Panasonic